Greetings to all Indian Conference on Bioinformatics 2021 delegates. This is Praharshit Sharma et al. From Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Nivedi Yelahanka, presenting the video abstract on overall synonymous codon usage bias strongly correlates with codon core length and harmonic mean based computation of Kullback-Leibler divergence in an ECA-QC system. So as we can see from the figure here, what we try to address here was essentially correlate the Euclidean and angular displacement between first and third codon positions for all 64 triplets using on the basis of mononucleotide frequencies in the process of ribosomal scanning with synonymous codon usage order, the overall synonymous codon usage order computed using entropy considerations. That will be explained as we go. So coming to the governing equations, we took into account the exact one-to-one mapping of 3-bit binary transition transmission mutation schema to point CDNA mutations with no neighborhood, which when extended from 4 nucleotides to 20 amino acids gives a hyperproteogenomic equation 4 power 4 power x equal to 20 power 20 power 1, where x is 99.9455% close to Napier's constant or base of natural logarithms. And these are the 4 mononucleotide frequencies that we consider: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, quadratic mean and harmonic mean. And AM always happens to be 1/4 or 0.25, which is gives a special case that we get triplet codons, that is the codon is linear in topology. Similar to 3C-sec, which is chromosomal conformational capture, here we discuss or envisage something like C3-sec or codon conformational capture sequencing. And using all these derivations, we find that in the case of control dataset of extreme GC content Plasmodium falciparum layer parasite genome, there is a strong global correlation between geometric mean based quorum core length and synonymous codon usage order, whereas there is a strong local correlation between harmonic mean based codon core length and synonymous codon usage order. The same is the case with case dataset of moderate GC content coronavirus genome, and we can compute the angular displacement in terms of using cosine laws, and we find that in sexagesimal system it's exactly 129.9 degrees for Napier constant Euclidean displacement between first and third codon positions, and we can extend this work to intracodon GC1, GC2, GC3 compositions, whereas we compute the triplet codon block chain entropy that is close to Napier's constant up to 5 decimal places for specific transcripts mined from 14.45 million transcripts from GCAO base. Thank you.